My quality of life back then was no reflection on what it is now. I'd go on holiday with a laptop and a mobile phone welded to my waist because I was always on call. My partner at the time helped out with doing some bookkeeping, but from an engineering point of view, I did everything. It was a self-imposed prison. There's a big wide world out there, and I knew all the time this was happening, I'd never be able to go. I tried twice before to grow the business beyond me. All I did was spend a lot of money and get nowhere. Then I joined a networking group, and I met Gary there. I took in his experience. He had already achieved really good results with other businesses. It wasn't cheap, and it was scary, but I'd already fallen flat on my face twice, so I engaged with his services. One of the books Gary gave me to read first talks about the reality that you cannot know everything you need to know to excel in life. The key to it is surrounding yourself in experts in every field that you're not, and that's why I brought Gary in. When you're at the top of a business, there's no one to hold you accountable. When you're paying someone to help grow your business and achieve the dreams you're looking for, then all of a sudden that accountability can be a real asset. And now with the business growing, it can be really helpful with the team because they're being held accountable. When I was preparing to move from my last house, I found the workbook that I'd done with Gary and opened up the page that had listed all the things I wanted to do with my life. About half of the list on there I've done, and there's no way I will get this business to where I need it to get to really achieve those upper end goals without his help. Everyone who hasn't engaged his services has gone no further forward, and in its worst case has gone out of business. So yes, I would recommend him time and time again.